This is your boy Keys. Welcome back. We're live on the Binance platform. So, guys, on the Binance End platform, you get access to lots of passive income opportunities. Now, one of them is the simple end feature. We also have the ones for DeFi staking, liquidity farming, BNB vault for BNB holders. There's also the launch pad where you can get access to latest token launch products. Now, each of these ones has their own specific benefit as well as risk. Now, one of these feature, one of these product I like subscribing to is the Binance simple end feature. It gives you the opportunity to stake your asset for a period of for a locked period or for a flexible period, whichever one is convenient for you. Now, right here you can see we have the simple end where you get access to deposit and earn rewards either for flexible term or lock terms. There are over 340 something tokens available. Now there's also the BNB vote and also the auto invest opportunity, which is combined all in one in these particular feature. Now for the staking, it's currently different from this one. For the simple end, it gives you the opportunity. The platform is very easy for you to use. Now these are some of the products you can see here. We have a HFT, we have a Luna, we have a BTC long, and you can subscribe for depending on the number of days that's convenient for you. Now if you want to see the ones best for beginners, you can click on here and you can see recommendations between what top pros are recommending. Now BTC will always be among some of the best ones that you could also look into as a beginner. Also, one of the feature I like so much here is the calculator. This gives you an estimated earnings on the asset you want to put into. So let's say you are expecting a certain number of APR for a number of period in a certain number of years. You want to look into this calculator to know what you should be expecting in the long term. Now this gives you, or this is a full transparency. So initially, what we have here, we have a 1,000. On default, you'll be seeing a 1,000 USDT here, and you can see, you can decide to see if it's a flexible investment or a fixed investment. Now, for the return on investment, you'll be getting 265 USDT if you're to if you are to put it in a flexible investment for 3 years. Now the cool thing about flexible investment as compared to fixed investment is that for flexible investment you can easily remove your asset whenever you want to remove it. So that's one of the advantage you have over locked or investment. For the locked one, you need to leave it for a certain number of period until that period elapses. So most users who are not comfortable might want to use this. Although when you lock your assets, it usually attracts more benefit depending on the particular assets in question also. Now let's say we want to click on this one for fixed. Let's see what we have. Okay, we still I'm gonna wait. Okay, there are currently no products available for USDT on a fixed investment scale. Now you can check other assets. You can toggle up between whichever one you want to use. Now if you're to put in let's say you want to check for USDT, you want to check for BTC, all you need to do is just search for it. So let's say I'm going to search for BTC here because it's usually the, one of the most popular ones with lots of investors there. So I'm searching for BTC. Let's say you have a 1,000 BTC. Let's see, it's going to refresh here. So we're going to wait for this calculator. Now all you need to do is to click on the subscribe now button once you are comfortable or once you are happy with the outcome or the potential investment. Now if you have about 1,000 BTC, which is what, about, let's say about 2 point something million dollars, because BTC is currently about I think it's about 20 something thousand dollars now. So it should be worth about that. Now you'll be getting about 29 BTC in about 3 years, guys. 3 years, because this is what you'll be earning. Now if you are to leave it for a period of 3 years, so guys, I think this is massive. Now one thing you need to also know is that the price of these assets, if it's an asset such as BTC that fluctuates in price, the price of these assets could also appreciate in price or appreciate in value, and they also have the potential to also depreciate in value, but most likely in about 3 to 5 years time these assets should be doing very well. If you were to compare the current price of these assets as compared to what it has been 5 years, 10 years back, you could see that profit is the way forward. Now to get access to the simple end page, you can decide to click on here. Now before that, I want to show you guys the profit. You can see estimated value in here, and you can see some of the profit or 30-day profit we've gotten so far, about 0.087 dollars. We've not done much this month using this feature. Now I'm just going to click on this simple end. Now when you click on the simple end, it's going to take you directly to the main simple end page or platform where you can see get access to navigate around the assets and see all the products that are based on the simple end itself in particular. But if you want to use the calculator aspect, you need to check out the Binance and just click on this top icon and you get access to the calculator. Now on the cumulative product profits here, you can see we've gotten about $8.39 dollars here. You can check your history and your wallet balance, and you can see the assets that you currently have in your account. Now these are some of the ongoing promotions here. You also want to look into these. Now right here you can see the APR here. Now for users who want to know the trick on using this and seeing the best APR is your annual percentage rate, or the interest you'll be getting if you're to leave your asset for a certain period of time. Now this is 18% as to the amount of assets you're currently subscribing with. Now I'm just going to click on this place here. It's going to show you, it's going to toggle up. You can see now we now have the highest. So this is currently the highest of these products, so we just toggle it up a little bit to make to put the highest ones here. Now you can see this is eligible if you are to subscribe for 120 days, and you can decide to unsubscribe anytime you want to. You could check out for 10 days. 10 days is currently sold out, so you can see 30 days. 30 days is still available, and you can see you'll be getting 29.9% if you are to do so. The longer you subscribe, the more earnings you'll be getting, and there are currently about 342 simple end products available. Now I'm just going to click on less this. Just going to click on less, and I think that's it. You can see you could also learn more here. There's redemption policy and more. Now these are some of the rewards. So guys, this is what all you need to do. Just all you need to do is just transfer your assets there. Click on this subscribe button. So let's say you want to subscribe for Ape coin. We currently do not have Ape in our wallet. What you need to do is going to give you two options. You can transfer Ape directly to your end wallet, so you can subscribe, or directly from your fiat wallet, fiat and spot wallet. You can see here it's going to tell you how much you have. Let's say it says 0.0 Ape tokens available. Just click on max. So there is not enough asset in your wallet. Now you need to convert, or you need to buy now, either of these. Now once you're done with that, you can click on I agree and click on confirm. Now your subscription will now be taken into effect. This same way you can also do for USDT. So let's say you want to do USDT subscription, just click on subscribe. We're currently doing an auto subscription on USDT. So you can see here we have a current amount. This is the current amount, and you can see the minimum investment that is currently required. Now if I should click on max here, you can see there's not enough balance in our wallet for us to subscribe to this. Now you want to make available funds and click on the subscribe button, so you'll be subscribed to this immediately. Now these are some of the benefits you'll be getting once you do. For users who want to know how Binance is able to pay the daily rewards, you want to know that on the Binance platform there are lots of partnerships that usually come up. So let's say a project like ApeCoin could meet up with Binance and tell them they want to do promotion and provide incentives to their community members and more. This is one way, as well as the fact that Binance also participates in a regular promotions on its own. Now there are also some other informations or ways in which Binance also provides these or pay these rewards through staking pools and operation of validators and more. Now for the APR, this is also the way the APR is usually work in particular. Now if you're looking for a way to earn cool income, I believe this is the way you should look into. This is one feature you should look into. Now you get access to passive income right from anytime you want, and it's never too late to start up with your earnings. Now you want to go over to YouTube, guys, when you go over to YouTube, just click on there's a video here we have on Binance, and you can see $500 reward. You can search Akahilz tube, Akahilz. Click on the link in the description box below. It's going to take you directly to here. As a new user, click on the register button. Once you click on the register button, it's going to take you directly to a place where you need to sign up with your email address or phone number. Now just click on it. You get access to $100 USDT trading fee rebate, as well as lifetime discounts or bonuses for Referral. Now you want to use our affiliate link, then also make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the subscribe button, and that's how you go. So you get notifications, turn on notifications. Also, you can check out any of these videos and any of these beneficial ones. Now guys, for bonus tip for those that stayed up to the end, currently you can see I'm currently running the course on Binance and Binance Academy. Now I'm almost done already. I'll be getting my NFT certificate. You can see you can claim your NFT certificate as well as position yourself for airdrop. Binance will be giving out airdrop to users who participate in this and learn and earn on the Binance Academy course. Now once you're done with that, you want to go over to here and submit your Binance user ID, Twitter ID, and more information, and let Binance know that you've completed your course on the Binance Academy to be eligible. Please note that Binance Academy team will pick 200 users with the most constructive feedback. So make sure you write something cool here so you can be eligible for this airdrop. It's going to end the airdrop pool is 2,000 USDT. It's going to be ending 31st. That's in about 15 days or 10 days time. So make sure to take advantage of this. You can also check out some of the latest ongoing announcement on Binance, so also benefit from this. Now there's also lots of benefit. We have features rewards where users can also benefit from features. So if you're looking for a way to earn income, this is the way to go, guys. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. It's your boy Akahilz. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace out.